Here I have VIVO V9 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the font styler and let's enable the keypad. Here let's use the first secret code. So let me open the following testing menu. Let's use here *pound 4838 #**. As you can see, Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can open phone information, and here you can read IMEI number. You can run a ping test. You can read also signal strength, the current network data service, and here you can also use more key to view contacts in the SIM, view fixed dialing numbers, or enable the data network connection. Let's go back, and here you can also use the user statistics. Here you've got the list of overlaps, and you can use the last time used or usage time. Let's go back. Here you can also tap Wi-Fi information, and here you can select Wi-Fi API. So here you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, or get connection info. You can also open the Wi-Fi status and refresh or start or run a ping test, or you can select Wi-Fi config to see configure networks of your device. Let's go back. Let me quit this Android testing menu, and it's time to open the second testing menu. So let's use *pound 4636 #**. As you can see, the following engineering test pops up. Here you can open battery capacity test. So here you can check the battery info, battery temperature, or other stuff. Use back key. Now let me open the next mode. Let's enter the calendar info. So here you need to use the following code: *pound 225 #**. As you can see, the calendar info just pops up. Let's go back. Now it's time to open the Google Play service. So let's use *pound 426 #**. As you can see, Google Play services just pops up. So here you can use ping, connect, disconnect, or events. Use back key by using the following key right here. And now let me open the IMEI mode. So let's use *pound 06 #, and IMEI mode just pops up. Tap OK. Now let me use the advanced IMEI mode. Let's use the *pound 09 #, and the following menu pops up. Here you can use the barcodes and use other stuff. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.